Hi, recently I come across this switches. Uh, it is, I think it's inspired by iPhone. It only operates by touching. Okay. Uh, it is made of glass in the front, and there's no switch, no rocker switch. I think this one can be you can clean easily because it's glass. You just wipe it up with water. Previously, if you take something like that, the old type where you have a rocker switch, yeah, it turn yellow easily, and it's also quite. You cannot operate it with wet finger because water can actually go into on the side. Yeah, and this one you just need to touch it, and I think you can use your finger is wet also. I think you cannot because there's nothing there. No water can get in except on the edges. Okay, of course you don't spray water into it. It comes with three colors: white, black, and gold, and also different supplier give you different function also. Okay, this one is very simple. It just you touch one and you turn on the light. You touch the second time it switch off the light. That's all, just a normal switch. Okay, this one what I have here is a two gang means two switches here, and it come with remote control like this or like this. Okay, so one switch for one gang. Okay. This is two gang, and this one come with you can operate with remote control also, and plus you can actually download a free applications to switch it on with your phone, on and off. You can switch it off from your phone, and you can, as long as your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, you can switch it on off. And okay, just take a look at the. It comes with either one gang, two gang, three gang, even four gang. Okay, and let's take a look at the specification. I take this one because this one got the most specification. Okay. Okay. You see that this is operate under 90 to 250 watts, 50 or 60 cycle. The gang maximum currents that you can go is 2 amp per gang. Uh, That means it's actually meant for lights only, not anything heavy hot consumption type, uh, like what motors and so on. There's a Wi-Fi. You see that this is Wi-Fi enabled. It's operate on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Of course, we have now 5G, but this is only for 2.4G only, and the frequency operation of this one is 400 and 33 megahertz. So you get any 433 megahertz, you can just pair it with this one and you can work on it. Another thing that you have to notice is there is no local no local safety certification. So they only have these two, which is actually meant that they compliance to some European standard, and the ROHS is it's for they have used some material that is non-toxic. That's about all, and it just indicate to you this is Wi-Fi operatable, and they are made in China. So because of this no local certification, I don't think any contractor will do it for you. So you have to take your own risk and you install it yourself. Okay, about the termination, you see, I show you one that is normal one. This is how the termination is. You have a live, okay, a live here, live first one. Then you have L1, L2, L3, and then there is also a neutral, but there is no terminal inside. So for this one, it is simple, just on and off, or even with remote control, you only have one live going in and one wire that coming out to your lights. Where this one is a problem, you see that okay. You also have live going in, and then you come out with another live that going to your load. Okay, it can be L1, L2, L3, doesn't matter. So the live is going in here, but you have a neutral. You need a neutral line. And this is where the problem will come out if you use normal switches, that you just replacing your normal switches. You see the normal, this is the type of normal. Usually we use, there are only two live in and live out. Okay, so that's what it is. And you what okay, they all usually come with something like that. You have this, it's a capacitor, just in case when you connect it, uh there's some flickering in the lights, or the lights turn on and off by itself. You just put this one, one live side and one neutral. Okay, or what, on the terminal of whatever the lights is. Okay, that's it.